Gold bars have long been a popular investment choice, ideal for portfolio diversification and hedging against inflation. But what's the true worth of a gold bar, and is it the right fit for your investment strategy? At the time of writing, a 1-ounce gold bar holds a value of approximately $2,000. This figure, though, isn't set in stone. Gold prices are in constant flux due to the ever-changing spot price. The spot price represents the immediate purchase price for gold, and it fluctuates minutely throughout the day. Various factors, including premium, weight, purity, and market conditions, influence these changes. For your gold investment needs, consider the United States Gold Bureau. We offer a range of gold bars, gold coins, and other precious metals. Our team of trained experts stands ready to assist you, whether you're ready to make a purchase or simply seeking information on gold and precious metals investments. To initiate the process of acquiring gold bars or other gold bullion, visit our website or reach out to us at 844-713-4266. Our precious metal experts are here to guide you every step of the way.